Yeah, I think Jesse.
Oh yeah, I found Jesse.
Hey, hang on. I gotta do this right. Let's split them up. As soon as you said Dan, I thought Dan.
Wait, what are you doing, Jesse?
The mask? We'll take the mask.
Got two coming down the center. 3.
Ow, that hurt.
A shot?
Yeah. I know. I shot him. I said, keep an eye on him. I gotta reload. Stay behind that bunker just to let you know. Stay behind that bunker. Keep an eye on him, okay?
That's on the left.
Keep up. He's down left. Oh, Jesse has gone over. Jesse, how you doing?
You just rush him?
No.
Wait until you
Stay. Let me get some cover fire for you to move up, okay? Careful, buddy. No, you don't have to move so much. If you keep suppressive fire, he's not going anywhere. I think they couldn't shoot back at me. You shooting at you? Is he going for John?
No, he's shooting at the other guys on the right. Someone is. Could be someone else behind him.
You're able to move. You can move. record after.
Where?
Run out of juice, man. Jesse, come here. Stop. Come here, look. See him? Yeah. Oh, yours, dude. Here, take it. Run out of juice.
Here, see my ammo. Go to the observation post.
Watch your left, Alex. Watch your left.
Yep. Nice try, though. Woo! Hit! Skate! Yo, BC! How come you didn't see me? Goggles on? Why? That's game. That's game. Yeah, man.
Good. Holding off, brother.
BC, you really didn't see me?
Oh, I did. I was just trying to come up and get Garen first.
So, what do you got to say about that?
It's fun.
Yeah?
It's always fun. I swear. Well, I poked at Jesse, and then I saw Lenny firing.
Yeah.
I opened fire.
So, you held off
Yeah, we held off pretty good.
as long as you could.
Many miles of beans.
Good job, brother. Woo!
What happened? What? What happened? I got pinned
Woo! John! What's going on?
My butt hurts.
What happened?
Oh, it got a hoot, man. Cruising position was our strong position.
I know.
I'm pretty sure. Someone's trying to start a genocide.
And there's a black guy probably walking up. Oh, hey, come on. Fire ready.
KKK over here.
We burn him in effigy first.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
We good? We good? We can like go out there.
Why don't you trim a little off the top?
Hey, Grand Chief, how you doing, butter?
Hey,
He's
look at the camera.
Grand Wizard.
Yeah, just trim a little off the top there. Suck it in a bit.
As long as you can't see your eyes.
That's a good metaphor right there. Blind, just blind.
People ask, he's just waving. Maybe what are you talking about?
That could be a really politically moving picture.
I'm putting it on my YouTube.
KK Clan.
Nasty. We got the Grand Wizard over here if you'd like to meet him.